If you're a new coach, consultant, or online service provider, you probably ask yourself the question, how do I actually get paying clients? And I totally get it. You've probably just finished your coaching certification or some kind of degree and you're ready. You're ready to say goodbye to your 9-to-5 job you've been dragging yourself for the past years. And you're ready to say hello to the time freedom of working when you want and where you want. But more importantly, you're excited about starting this new business, doing something you love and making a difference in other people's life. It was the same for me. After my coaching certification, I was excited and ready to take on the whole world. But then I got a little bit real about the whole business idea and asked myself, how do I actually get paying clients? And I'm pretty sure you're asking yourself the same questions. You know, you want the clients that actually wanting to work with you and who are willing to pay you money for your services. And this is by far the most important question to ask yourself or research if you don't know the answer. Because if you don't have any clients, I have to tell you, you don't really have a business, but your coaching is more like a hobby. But I know you dream of becoming a full-time coach, you know, like a real professional coach. And that's exactly why I'm going to share with you the 3-step process on how to get clients. Step number 1, they somehow hear about you and what you do. This is the step where all of your marketing focuses on, and it's by far the most important one because everything starts with step 1. You first have to be clear on what exactly you do, but more importantly, how you communicate it. It's about your representation of your business to potential clients and also educating them on your services and how you can help them. Also focus around why they should work with you instead of with someone else. Once you're clear on how you can communicate your services and the benefits of working with you, then it's about getting out there, putting yourself out there into the marketplace. And there are pretty much 2 ways on how you can do this. One is in person, on networking events, on events you went to, maybe on some seminars. The other one could be through your friends and family. You just have to let them know what you've been up to and ask them what's new in their life. And maybe they have a problem you can help them solving. Another way to get coaching clients in person are in presentations you hold where you can explain and present and educate your ideal clients on your services. And there's something about presentations because you already position yourself as an expert, because it takes some courage to get up on a stage and talk to a bunch of people. Meetups are a great way to do this. Either you just go to an existing one where they already have some people coming regularly and you just take some time and talk to the presenter. Most of the people, especially when these meetups are held regularly, they're happy to have someone else providing new, fresh content. Otherwise, you can also create your own new meetup and create your own audience. The second way on how people can hear about you is online. You can either write a post, a blog, or an article and publish it online, either on your website or even better, on someone else's website where you know there's already traffic running into the website. Traffic means pretty much people who are visiting that website. Another way online is to present yourself in forums and groups online. Social media groups, for example, on Facebook, are a great way to connect to like-minded people, share a little bit about yourself, and always provide value. Another great way is social media, where you can utilize your Facebook and also your Instagram account. You can even use YouTube and create some videos of great value for them, like this one. It's also of great importance to create your own business page on Facebook, where you can just provide a little bit more information about your services and also have a link to your website where they can get more infos. The great thing about all the ways I've just mentioned is that they are completely free. You don't even have to pay 1 cent to get in front of clients. But if you're interested in spending some money on your marketing and pretty much automating this process, you can use ads and run them on Facebook, on Instagram, or on Google. The main focus here is on collecting their contact details and building up your email lists so that you can be in front of their mind all the time. All of the ways they can hear about you, either it's in person or online, always focus on providing value first. No one wants to be sold if they don't even know what you're doing. So always make sure that you provide value in some way, shape, or form. And once they received some value and they heard about you, then we're coming to the next step, which is you invite them into an intro coaching session with you. This is where you provide value for your clients, where they really understand how much coaching can do for them. In this coaching session, you focus on solving a small problem of them, so they realize and you pretty much show them that you are the right person. Simply ask them what is the thing they want and why is it important to them. Once you identify their goal, you can go on and ask what is currently not working for them and really identify what are the impacts and the consequences of their challenges and how does the future look like if they don't change anything. Based on these models, they really understand soon how much coaching can do for them and how important it is to get help in order to achieve their goals. If your prospect is a good fit where you truly understand and know that you are the person who can help them, and if you structured your session the right way so they got the benefit of what coaching can do for them, then it's simply of moving up to the next step, which is step 3. They sign up as a client. Once they see the value of your coaching and what it can do for them, they want to become a client. So now it's just a matter of fact of collecting their contact details, any kind of information you need from them, and very important, get their credit card details in this session. Make sure that you ask them for some kind of commitment to jump into your coaching straight away. For some people, it's something completely new, they've never done it before, and it can be a bit scary. So asking for some kind of financial commitment where they either pay you the first month in full or just leaving a deposit there is a very great step. Also, always make sure that you charge for your coaching upfront, because it makes a huge difference on how your client shows up in the sessions, because you want them to show up committed and that they want to make the most out of those calls with you, instead of receiving coaching and then deciding if it was worth the money. Once you've got all the important information, you can make an agreement ready and start charging your very first client. And that's pretty much it. Just follow those 3 simple steps all the time and you will sign up clients fast. But I totally understand and agree that step 1 can be a little bit overwhelming for some people, especially the online part. So if you are interested in how to sign up clients on autopilot and want to position yourself as an authority, I have a free training for you. Click the button below and sign up for my free training if you want to build up your coaching business online and want to make consistent income as a coach, whether sooner than later. I hope you got a lot of value out of this video, and I hope to see you on the other side.